If you're building a home gym in 2026, choosing the right treadmill can make a huge difference. Whether you need a compact walking pad for your office, a foldable incline treadmill for serious cardio, or a smart model with app integration, this list covers the top 5 best treadmills on Amazon 2026 based on performance, features, and overall value. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Sunny Health and Fitness Wi-Fi Smart Treadmill Walking Pad. The Sunny Health and Fitness Wi-Fi Smart Treadmill Walking Pad is a compact, foldable walking pad featuring shock absorption cushioning, auto incline, and SunnyFit app access. It can be used under a desk or as a standalone treadmill. This model is perfect for small spaces and home offices. The cushioning system reduces joint impact, making it suitable for daily walking sessions. The SunnyFit app adds guided workouts and tracking. Its foldable design makes storage simple. Pros: compact and foldable. Shock absorption for joint comfort. App connectivity. Auto incline feature. Ideal for users who want a space-saving smart treadmill for walking and light cardio. Number 2. UREVO CyberPad Smart Walking Pad. The UREVO CyberPad offers a powerful brushless motor, 14% auto incline, spacious running surface, digital controller, AI-powered app, and elegant speed lighting. This treadmill stands out with its strong incline capability for a walking pad. The brushless motor runs quietly, making it great for apartment use. The AI-powered app personalizes workouts and tracks performance efficiently. Pros: 14% auto incline, quiet brushless motor, modern design with speed lighting, AI-driven workout app. The UREVO CyberPad is excellent for users who want a smart, incline-capable walking pad with quiet operation. Number 3. THERUN Incline Treadmill 3.5 HP. This treadmill supports up to 300 pounds, features a 3.5 HP motor, 0 to 15% auto incline, wide belt for running, heart rate monitoring, and app compatibility. This treadmill is built for more serious cardio workouts. The 3.5 HP motor supports both walking and running comfortably. The wide belt gives runners more space and stability. The 15% incline adds versatility for endurance and fat-burning workouts. Pros: strong 3.5 HP motor, 15% auto incline, wide belt for running, 300-pound weight capacity. Best for users who want a true running treadmill with incline and higher weight capacity. Number 4. 3-in-1 Under-Desk Treadmill with Removable Desk Workstation. This 3-in-1 treadmill features a removable desk workstation, 3.5 HP motor, compact and foldable design, wristband remote control, and incline capability. The removable desk makes it ideal for work-from-home users who want to stay active during the day. It transitions between walking pad mode and standard treadmill mode easily. The wristband remote adds convenience for speed adjustments. Pros: built-in removable desk, 3.5 HP motor, compact and foldable, wristband remote control. Perfect for professionals who want a multifunctional treadmill for working and walking. Number 5. Foldable Home Treadmill with 0 to 15% auto incline. This foldable treadmill offers 0 to 15% auto incline, 3.0 HP motor, 330-pound weight capacity, pulse sensors, app connectivity, and LCD display. This model strikes a good balance between power and affordability. The 15% incline matches higher-end models, and the 330-pound capacity makes it suitable for a wide range of users. Pulse sensors provide basic heart rate tracking. Pros: 15% auto incline, 330-pound weight capacity, foldable for storage, app connectivity. A solid choice for users seeking a balanced incline treadmill with good weight support at a competitive price. Here's how they compare. Best compact walking pad.
Sunny Health and Fitness Smart Walking Pad. Best Smart Incline Walking Pad. UREVO CyberPad. Best for serious runners. THERUN 3.5 HP Incline Treadmill. Best for work-from-home users. 3-in-1 treadmill with desk. Best value incline treadmill. Foldable 0 to 15% auto incline model. Your ideal treadmill depends on whether you prioritize space-saving design, incline training, smart app integration, or full running capability.